Hi friends, this is Venkat Krishna from Chris Software Solutions. In this video we are going to learn about, in the previous video we discussed about actions class. On the top of actions class, what are all the other things we can do with actions class we are going to learn here. One real-time scenario currently we are getting in any automation project is how to do drag and drop. Drag and drop operation can we do with any other methods apart from actions? We cannot do. Just we need to drag and drop means with your mouse you need to hold it and then drop somewhere. So these operations also we can perform only by using actions class. So first you know how to create a actions class object, and then you can perform whatever the operation you want over there. Okay. So you can how we are going to do these all things we can try to learn here. Let me take a scenario here. I'm opening the sample website. In this website, okay, droppable is there. Can you see here? These are all the two elements. We are going to automate, hold mouse on this element, and we are going to drop here. See, color is changed successfully. Okay, so this scenario we can do only with actions. Okay, drag and drop operation we can perform only by using actions. Okay, so what we are going to automate? So we are going to the droppable and first clicking on this element, and we are going to drop here. This is what we are going to do. Okay, shall we do this scenario by using actions class? Okay, please let me go ahead and create a new class here. Drag and drop scenario. Okay, drag and drop. What happened? Drag and drop scenario already there. Okay, score example, finish. Drag and drop example we are going to do now. See, previous method, multiple windows or actions demo just now we have done, right? Let me take these all statements. I'm copying from the previous test case because these all are common for any test case. Here we are printing it. Here we are setting the Chrome driver path, and URL we are giving implicit wait, page load timeout, maximize we are giving. So for this scenario, what is our URL? Droppable is our URL. Just I'm updating here droppable. Actions class, I hope you understand as per my previous video. So actions class is mainly used for to perform the mouse actions on our application. So sometimes, some cases, we should use our mouse actions to be automate. So that we are doing by using actions class. Okay, fine. So next, what we need to do? First, elements we need to identify. Okay, these two are the different elements, right? Let me try to identify these two elements. Just right click, inspect. See, ID is there. Okay, div is the tag name and ID is there. Let me try to write the XPath for this. / div @ID. If at all you are having any questions on the XPath side, please try to watch my XPath video so that you will understand. Okay, I am doing all these videos sequentially. Please follow the same sequence if at all you are able to follow the Selenium topics from me. Web element 1 equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. I am giving XPath here. So this is my first element. Similarly, I want to take for my second element also. Okay, just import web element here. Fine. What is my second element? This one, droppable. Okay, here also ID is there. I'm taking the ID only. ID only. Okay, let me take ID here. Okay, fine. See, it is identifying successfully. Fine. What we need to do now? So again, second element, driver dot find element by dot xpath by dot xpath. That's it. Okay, we have gathered our two elements. First element is the one which we need to hold it, and the second element is the one where we need to drop the first element. Okay, so in this scenario, observe carefully. So what we are doing, we are taking the first element, and we are drag it to second element, and we are dropping here. How we are going to do this scenario, please carefully observe. So very simple, create a new class, new object for the actions class, and you need to provide argument as driver. Okay, fine. You need to import actions class, import it. Fine. A dot drag and drop, they have given direct method to us. We no need to do anything. They have just, you need to provide your elements, which element you need to drag and where you need. First element is which element you need to pick up. Second target is where we need to drop that first element. That's it. So as I told you, dot, just I am asking to pause for 4 seconds, and build dot perform. Build dot perform is common. For any actions methods you are working on, build dot perform is common. Like this, how you can work with the like drag and drop operation by using actions class. Let me execute this. Okay, new browser is opened successfully. Okay, our page is opened. Now it is maximized successfully. Perfect. Now it is going to drag this element to there. Let me see here. Okay, it is still running. It is still running. And yeah, we are getting some error here. Let me observe. No such element exception. Where we are getting which line number? 24. So here we are getting the error. Whenever you are getting the error, don't be panic and we could not able to resolve that error. Don't think that. In nowadays Google and all, you will get each and everything. Like you need to know how to search your error in Google. For each and every error there is a solution in Google now. So many websites are there. You can go to the Appium GitHub pages are there. GitHub issues are there for the Selenium and Appium. Similarly, you can go with the Stack Overflow. Somebody might have answered your question. Okay, don't be panic. Let me try to resolve this error. In the inspect, might be yeah, I got the problem. See here, it is inside of the frame. This control is inside of the frame. Because of this frame, it is not able to identify this one. So what we need to do? We need to switch to this frame. Already you know how to switch. Already I covered in my previous videos. Please refer to the frames concept video, then you will understand. I have a dot, switch to dot, frame. I'm giving, I'm hard coding here. So that's it. It should work now. Let me close. Let me close this. Okay, it should work now. Okay, Chris Software Solutions is printed and it is going to launch the browser is launched successfully. Okay, it is going to maximize. Right, perfect. You can see here the problem with the frame. Now it moved from here to the wherever we want to drop that one. It is successfully dropped there. Like this, how you can work with the drag and drop operation by using actions class. Okay, so many other methods also there. It is not possible me to cover all the methods here. So just I am giving you the knowledge about how to work with the actions class and all. If you understand these, whatever I am explaining, based on that you need to build up your own. You need to practice so many other methods also, which is available in actions class. Okay, its auto session is coming with actions class. So go through the each and every method and where we are using and all like that, how you need to learn the things. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel and subscribe to all the videos and like them, so that it will be an encouragement for me to do more and more videos. Okay, so thank you so much.